So over the past couple weeks, I've been increasingly talking to my father about Mene, and I've shown him the website. I've shown him all the different pieces that they have, and he fell in love. He was like, "Oh, I gotta get some. I gotta get some." And I was like, "All right, I'll get some for you if you want to play that game." And so we went through the site together, and he's like, I kind of like the bracelets, I kind of like the rings, I kind of like the necklaces. And I was like, but have you seen the dice yet? And so I showed him the dice. He's like, dude, that's it, it's a wrap, get me the dice. And I was like, all right, let's do it, I'll get you the dice. So I'm gonna get him the dice, and I'm actually gonna pay with it using Bitcoin, because why not, I can do it. And I'm gonna use Steem that I've earned from Steemit in order to convert to Bitcoin to then pay for some gold from Mene. So let's get started. So we'll come to gifts, and we'll scroll down, and I think they only have the polished dice currently in stock, which is fine. I mean, I like both of the dice, the brushed and the polished, but we'll go with the polished because it's what's in stock. It's $809. I'll snag one of them, so I will add it to my bag. As you can see though, there's $675 worth of gold in this dice. So it's 15.46 grams of pure gold. So it's 24 karat gold, it's beautiful. And then Mene's got their fee, only $135 for the design of the dice. And then the shipping, so shipping comes included, and the insurance. And as you can see, I mean, it's not a big dice at all because it's pure gold. Like it's almost a half ounce of gold. So it's a beautiful little piece. I can't wait to get it in my possession. So let's go ahead and we'll add it to my bag. We'll get logged in here. All right, it has been added to my bag. Let's get checked out. I can't wait to get this. He's gonna be so pumped. He's gonna be so pumped. All right, and I've already got my shipping information in here, but if you want to edit it, you can. So I'm just gonna get it shipped to the office, which is fine. I do not have a gift card. Oh wait, I do. I remember I got something in my email from Mene about a Valentine's Day gift or something. Let's check it out. Mene 24 karat investment jewelry. We're sharing the love. Oh, I love you guys for sharing the love with me. $100 to spend on Mene jewelry this Valentine's Day. $100 Mene gift card can be applied to any purchase made on Mene.com until Friday, February 16th. Look at today's date. It's February 15th. Oh my gosh, this is perfect. There's my code right there, so we'll get that thing copied. We'll get out of that. Let's apply that gift card. Boom, so now we're down to $718. So now, basically, that just took off almost the entire Mene fee of $135. Now that reduces it to only $35, which shipping and insurance right there. So then I basically got the design for free. So this is almost like getting gold at spot. It's unbelievable, unreal. Shipping method, okay, and we don't need to make it as a gift, it's okay. Shipping method is free, and payment method, we will use BitPay. After clicking complete order, you will be redirected to BitPay to complete your purchase securely. That's fine with me, right? And we will complete order. Okay, so I owe 0.073 Bitcoin, so let's get that done. I have 15 minutes. A little rush though. All right, let's come to my wallet and let's transfer to Bittrex. We'll just transfer all of this. Actually, we'll just come to wallets actually, and then we'll come down to, we'll search SBD since that's what we're sending, and we'll get a deposit address. So here's my invoice that I owe, 0.072924 Bitcoin, and I've got BitPay on my phone right here. I've got a wallet that has 0.075 Bitcoin, and we will go ahead and we'll scan it and get it sent. Calculating fee. 72-cent fee. Man, that's beautiful. I love it. 0.1% fee. That's beautiful. And we will send it from the personal wallet. Boom. And slide to pay. Let me send in my password. Broadcasting transaction. And ding! Paid. Beautiful. Look how easy that was right there. That's good news right there, baby. Let's see what our email says. Payment sent, 0.072924 Bitcoin. And we'll look at the other email here. Thank you for choosing Mene. Please find your order summary below. It's like Christmas. Look at that. Look at that. $100 gift card. Beautiful. Total $818, but I got $100 off, so $718. I'm out the door. I should have a beautiful little dice coming to me in just a couple days. So check out Mene. It was so simple. You guys saw how easy that was. Within a couple minutes, I was able to send Steem Dollars, which I earned from blogging, and I transferred it to Bittrex, and then I transferred my Bitcoin to BitPay, and then I paid my invoice with BitPay like that. Within 15 minutes, the whole process was complete. It was that easy. Check out Mene.com. They are taking over. I'll include my referral link so you guys have that. Join Mene.com. Get you something. They've got beautiful necklaces, bracelets, rings, earrings. They've got it all. They've got the dice. They've got the guitar picks. They've got the cufflinks. They've got it all. Check it out. Mene.com. Oh yeah, thank you Gold Matters for showing this to me. $50 referral fee coming to you. Gold Matters.